Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a valid Transcash code, matching ID, and a secure device. Enter the portal for payments or reloads. Choose the option that accepts Transcash codes. Once done, locate the Enter Code field and type exactly as printed. Hyphens and digits matter. Make sure to double-check characters before submitting to avoid lockouts. This first action prevents simple errors and positions you to complete the transaction smoothly. You now complete the core execution. Paste or carefully type the Transcash code, then follow the page prompts for verification. Provide any requested name or ID info so the system can authorize the code. This step prevents rejections. Once the code validates, review the balance and transaction summary to confirm amounts, fees, and recipient details. If prompted, choose Reload or Payment Destination, then proceed to confirm. These precise checks reduce failed transactions and save time resolving disputes. You finish by confirming the success message and saving the confirmation number or receipt. This proves payment if issues arise. If you reloaded an account, make sure the target balance updated correctly. Give it a minute for back-end processing. If the code is rejected or balance doesn't update, contact Transcash support immediately and provide the confirmation, code, time, and screenshot. That troubleshooting tip, collecting exact evidence, greatly speeds resolution and helps you recover funds if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.